Disabling two-factor authentication on YouTube can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your security options. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. Scroll down to find the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see the option for two-step verification. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Turn off two-step verification. In the two-step verification settings, you will find an option to turn it off. Click on the Turn Off button and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-factor authentication, take a moment to review your other security settings to ensure your account remains secure without this feature. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your YouTube account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.